In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate reminders with Asana rules. This process is a fantastic way to ensure nothing falls through the cracks by sending timely reminders to you or your team. By the end of this guide, you'll be well equipped to keep tasks on track and ensure deadlines are met seamlessly. Let's kick things off. The first thing you'll need to do is access the specific project where you'd like to set up your reminder. Start by navigating to the project dashboard on your Asana account. This is where you'll be setting everything up, so make sure you're in the right project to avoid any confusion later on. Once you've opened your project, look towards the top right corner of your screen. That's where you'll find the Customize button. Go ahead and click on that. The Customize menu is your gateway to various project settings and features, including the ability to set up rules. Now that you're in the Customize menu, scroll down until you find the section labeled Rules. This section houses all the automation magic you need. To start creating your reminder, you'll want to click on the Add Rule button. This will allow you to set up specific conditions and actions for automated reminders, streamlining your workflow and minimizing manual oversight. The next step is choosing a trigger. Essentially, this is the event that will spark the reminder action. Asana provides a variety of triggers, but some popular options to consider are when the due date is approaching, when it's overdue, or when a task is moved to a particular section. If your goal is to remind your team when a task is due soon, you might select the Due Date is Approaching trigger. If you want a week's notice, input 7 days prior to the due date for optimal forward planning. With your trigger set, it's time to define what action will take place when this trigger activates. Options for actions in Asana can include adding a comment to the task, sending out an email or Slack message, or even assigning the task to a specific person. For a straightforward reminder, you might opt for Add Comment to Task. In the comment box, you could write something as simple as Reminder, task is due in 7 days. This will ensure that assignees are perfectly clear on approaching deadlines. Lastly, it's crucial to finalize and activate your rule. Once you're satisfied with your trigger and action settings, simply click on Publish Rule. This will activate your automation, making sure that these reminders automatically occur whenever the conditions you've specified are met. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to automate reminders using Asana rules. This method not only increases your team's productivity, but also reduces oversight and the potential for missed deadlines. Thanks for tuning in, and happy organizing.